Okay, guys, welcome back. This is Dan Nguyen again. I finally got my mobile Zen to work, so now I can show you my actual Robinhood trading accounts, and so I can show you actual trading results for the last 3 months that I've been using this penny stock trading system. So without further ado, let's just move on, and I'll show you on the screenshots himself. Okay. What I'm going to do in this video is just quickly show you the trade history. I've only been doing this system for about 3 months now. I had this Robinhood trading account. It was a test account I opened about a year ago. I started trading stocks. It took me about 6 months trying to figure out how to do everything on this system. But about 3 months ago, I kind of narrowed down the perfect strategy to use for this trading software, the Robinhood trading app. So what I'm going to show you here is my history for the last 3 months and how it did relative to the market. First, we're going to see today is January 25th, Wednesday at 10:48 p.m. So the market has already closed. Let me go back out. The market is closed. It was a hot market today. What I have here on this screen is we are in the Robinhood trading software. I have pulled up the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, so you can get an idea of today was a positive day on the stock market. The Dow Jones gained about 0.79% according to this software on the ETF. After hours here, you can see it lost a little bit, but so remember that because we'll compare it to what we did with our trading system later on. So the Dow did 0.79% profit today, January 25th. So now we're going to go back. So this is my portfolio. These are the trades that I have so far. We're going to go up. You can see the balance on this account is just $1,760. It's a testing account that I had. I opened this account about 3 years ago. 1 year ago when the app was new, and I put in just $300 at that time. Of course, I added a few more. I added money a few more times, but also some of this was my earnings. And when I started, I only traded about $50 per trade. With $300 as my initial deposit, I was able to do 6 trades at once. I started losing a little bit of money in the beginning, but and then I got the hang of it, and the last 3 months I did pretty well. So you can see this is today. It started out down here, and then it ended up here. So for the whole day, we gained 3.58%, so 3.5%. It gained about $60.79. You can see up there, 3.58% after hours, and gained another $1.81 for another 0.1%. So 3.59% for the day. If you look back for the week, you can see the week was pretty flat for most of the week, and then the last 2 days it jumped back up. So for the week, we got a gain of 4.86% for the past week. Not bad. If we look for the month, so remember that too. For the week, we got 4.8%. For the month, we got 10.61% profit. And then for the last 3 months, which is pretty much the amount how long I've been trading this system, we're looking at 15.97% for 3 months. So if you look at that, that's about one season. In a year, there's 4 seasons. So at that rate, we're looking at 15% times 4. We're looking at about 60% return on profit for the year. If we look at just the last month, how hot we were in this last month, we got 10% for the month. If you multiply that by 12, you're looking at 120% return on investment for the year. Not bad at all, considering a mutual fund, safe mutual fund will give you about 10% a year. That's considered good. If you look for the year, it's not as consistent. As you can see, I started out here, and then I hit a home run. Basically overnight, one of the penny stocks jumped. I think quadrupled its value, so I made a lot of money in one night. But then for the next 6 months, I kind of trying to figure things out. It wasn't until about here I kind of figured the best way to do the software, and from there you can see it's consistently going up. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. For the day is 3.58%. For the week is 4.8%. For the month, we're looking at 10%. And for 3 months, about 15%. Now go back again. You see, these are my stocks that I was holding. Again, don't buy these. Don't run out and buy these stocks after you watch this video, because by the time you watch this video, the opportunity would be over and I would be out of these stocks. Okay, I don't hold on to this stocks for more than a week most of the time, sometimes a few weeks, but by the time you watch this video it'll be too late. So don't look at this as investment advice. Okay, these are swing trading. We're not investing in these companies. But today we got maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks that are in the red. The rest are in green. So that's why we did so well. Again, down here I have the indexes. The IWM is the let's go in there. That's the Russell 2000. It's a smaller companies. Today it did 0.9% gain. Remember, we did 3.5% in today, so we more than triple that. So that's how much more effective this system is. The Dow Jones, again, we are looking at a gain of 0.79% for the day. Again, we did 3.5% for the day. If you look for the Dow Jones for the week, it made 1.2%. For our week, we made at 4.8%. So we more than triple them. For the month, the Dow Jones actually made only 0.72%. Remember, for our month, we made 10% for the last month. So we more than 10 times. We earned more than 10 times what they earned on the index, on the Dow Jones. And for 3 months, they made 10%. We made about 15%. So let's go back and take a look. If you don't want to compare it to the Dow Jones, you can compare what a lot of people compare to the S&P. S&P is the SPY here, the ETF for it. If you buy this index, it's better than buying stocks in all 500 companies. So you just buy this one share. But one share here is $229. So many people can't buy that many shares. So that's the downside of investing in the index. But if you can see, for today, the S&P gained about 0.87%, and again we did 3.5%. So we more than tripled them. The for the week it made 1.15%. For our week we made 4%, 4.8%. So again we more than tripled them. For the month, the S&P made 1.5% for the month. Remember, for our month we made 10%. So we blew them out of the water. And for 3 months they made 7.5%, and we made 15% for the 3 months. So we more than doubled them. So just wanted to show you that we consistently beat the market with this system. And this system will only take you about 30 minutes in the morning if you set it up the way that I've set it up. I'm actually putting together an ebook currently. I'll put it on Amazon for you guys, and I'm not gonna charge you guys anything when it first come out. I just wanted to put all the rules, all the criteria together to show you how to do this, what I'm doing. So if you like what you see, just subscribe and follow my videos. I'll be showing you the videos exactly step by step how I do it, what I look for in each trade. I hope you like it. And then when the ebook is done, I'm gonna release it. I want to make a video and show you. Okay, so subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video.